Okay, if the lava is stiff, it piles up on the Earth's surface and forms a cone-shaped volcano with steep sides. The volcano that erupted on Iceland is a cone-shaped volcano. It is not very active. Its last eruption was almost 200 years ago. While it was inactive, a lot of ice built up on the mountain. Then, in 2009, scientists discovered the volcano was becoming active again. Scientists know a volcano is getting ready to erupt when it swells. This happens because magma pushes up inside the volcano. The mountain does not swell enough for people to see it getting bigger. Special instruments measure the tiny movements of the rocks. Other instruments record earthquakes around the volcano. Lots of quakes are another clue magma is rising inside the volcano. The Iceland volcano erupted lava under its ice covering. The ice melted and turned to steam. If you ever watched steam lift the lid on a boiling pot, you know what happened next. Steam and gas escaping from the volcano blew magma high into the air. The magma exploded into millions of tiny droplets. These cooled and became ash. Winds carried the volcanic ash across Europe. The volcanic ash could damage jet engine parts, so it was too dangerous to fly. Airplanes around the world were grounded. Some people were stranded. Not just volcanic ash causes problems. Hot lava from volcanoes also creates damage. Flowing lava can destroy buildings and roads. The volcano named Mount St. Helens in Washington State once blasted out hot gas and knocked down whole forests. Of course, the result of volcanic eruptions aren't all bad. For one thing, volcanoes built new mountains and islands. In Iceland, scientists discovered the bits of volcanic ash were coated with minerals plants need to grow. After the eruption, the dairy farmer had a big job cleaning ash off his house and barn roofs. In the fields, though, the grass quickly shot up healthy and green. Soon, there was plenty of fresh food for his cows. Okay, so we have a couple more cause and effects that we can add to this, right? If we talk about the volcano, remember what it said about the plains? What did it say about the plains? That there was too much ash in the air and it made it dangerous, right? So, so we can say winds carried volcanic ash. So winds carried volcanic ash across Europe, it said. So I'm going to write it, then I'm going to circle it. Okay, so that's my cause. And then my effect of that is that it was too dangerous to what? To fly, right? Too dangerous to fly. Then it said planes were grounded, which means they couldn't fly. All the planes had to stay at the airport. Okay, so I'm going to put that in my box after I write all my words. Okay, so I wrote my words, and then I did my box. Okay, the last one, the Iceland volcano. So the Iceland, sorry, I want to make sure that it's, okay. The Iceland volcano erupted. Period. Sorry, that's an E. Then I'm going to draw my circle after I write my words. So the effect of that, this was a positive effect. The volcanic ash helped plants grow. So Here, when the volcanic ash was flying across Europe, it made it too dangerous. It was a negative outcome. But here, when it erupted and the volcanic ash was flying to the ground, it helped the plants grow. So it had, this one was a negative effect, but this one was a positive effect. Okay, you can go ahead and pause it and get it done.